Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here, guys. So I did come back day later because I wanted to kind of switch up my makeup look. I did not like the heavy shadow that I had on yesterday with the look, so I wanted to kind of switch it up and do kind of like a basic eye. So hope you guys like the overall look. This is the finished look of this unit. Shout out to RPGSHOW. You guys know I always say I'm never doing blonde hair reviews again. I just don't want to. But when it comes to RPGSHOWwigs.com, they always custom color. Each unit is made from a hairstylist, so they color it nicely. They do everything. You guys know I love the Anthony cut style units from RPGSHOW wig. I'll leave all the specs of this one in the video for you guys right here so you guys know exactly who the stylist is. But this unit definitely gave me a big transitional vibe. The color and everything like that kind of made me think more about the fall season, the autumn season. A lot of you guys are afraid of bold colors like this, but I thought it was a nice kind of blonde bob that had a little bit of a dark rooting that can give you guys a little bit of a push to try it out. Definitely with me, I was a little skeptical about this in the beginning, did not know how this was going to look. But I do feel like it looks really, really cute, guys. I did go ahead and hair this unit down, guys, using my Eben Wonderlace and Wonderlace adhesive along with their spray to put this down. So with this one, I actually can go ahead and put this one in a mini ponytail if I wanted to, guys, because I actually have the sides of this one glued down. So if you want to go ahead and do like a little ponytail, which I might do tomorrow, just like a cute little ponytail like this and leave the front out, that will work. It is like 100 degrees in New York City right now, so ideally bangs isn't like a first style that I'll go for just because it's a little bit too hot. But one thing with this hairstyle, guys, you guys actually split it down the middle and carry the bangs both ways like this, or you can just kind of have like a messy bang, which I was kind of going for, not too chunky, thin and cute. So I do love this unit a lot, guys. Like I said, this is definitely a great transitional unit. If you still want to do color in the autumn and fall, which is fine, you can go ahead and put this unit down. You don't have to glue this unit, guys. It did come with its own adjustable strap, so you can go ahead and adjust it to make it fit your head. But like I said, I wanted to glue it down for a few days just to kind of see, you know, what it was giving and kind of see what the vibes were. With hair like this, especially because it's like a full color blonde unit, I would definitely recommend that you not do like no crazy shadows or anything like that. I definitely really like the lip combination with this one. I really feel like it gives it a nice vibe. So let me know what you guys think, guys. All in all, I really like this unit. I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. Even it just put up like this looks really cute. And like I said, I'll pull this back so you guys can see the hairline is beautiful. The wig actually fit my hair, my head perfect. You guys know I'm a medium to average cap size head, so this one landed very perfect. I did not have to customize it or anything like that. So all in all, guys, I think that this is super cute for my girls out there that are afraid of color but want to try color out. I think this is a really nice step to try color. It's safe, it's fun. One thing about this unit, I do wish that it had a little bit more volume per se, so I'll probably have to use some dry shampoo just to really kind of puff it out and stuff like that. But other than that, I think this is a really nice unit. If you want to, you can actually go ahead and add some like light curls to it. But you guys did notice I did chop a little bit of it off just because I did not like that awkward length that came off here. I know it's supposed to be like a bob form like that, but I think more of a bowl cut look just looks way better with this unit. Let me know what you guys think about that. But I do recommend doing some light curls in here. Some light curls would be lit. Even putting it behind your ear like this just looks so freaking back to school, so 70s, I'm not 70s, so 90s vibes or whatever. So definitely think that this is a go-to unit, guys. I'll leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.